Guys, we're gonna do some big old Texas style beef short ribs on my Weber Kettle coming up. What's up, fans of barbecue? This is CJ from CJ's Q. And if you are a returning subscriber, part of the Q crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel and want to become part of CJ's Q crew, click that red subscribe button and that bell next to it so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. We got lots of great barbecue for you. You'll want to be a part of it. All right. So today, guys, we are going to get these beautiful, humongous beef short ribs that I got from Snake River Farms. Wagyu beef short ribs, 9 pounds of just love. It's so good. You can see that there's so much marbling going through these, that as I'm touching and handling them, it's just melting in my hands. It's gonna be so amazing. We're gonna do it low and slow on my Weber Kettle. We're gonna do it with the Slow N Sear to make sure we get plenty of charcoal burn at a real even, consistent temperature. We're gonna do about 275, 300, hopefully right in that area. I'm not gonna wrap, we're just gonna give it all the smoke you can handle and just let these things just tender up real nice. We'll check the temperatures as we go. We'll spritz them down with a little beef stock or water, and it's just gonna be beautiful eating when we're done. So all I did was take these things out of the cryo bag and then I trimmed them up. Got all that silver skin, all that hard fat off the top of it. I used my nice sharp Dahlstrong knife. Guys, I'll put a link down below. I'm a brand ambassador for Dahlstrong, so if you guys click on that link to buy any of those Dahlstrong knives, use the code Cooking with CJ at the end. You'll get 10% off. It's a great deal. So once we got all that trimmed off, got it nice, a lot of the meat exposed because we're gonna build a nice thick, and then the air conditioner comes on. We're gonna build a nice thick bark on them. All right, so welcome to my backyard. We got neighbors cutting stuff, got the things on, dog's over there doing his thing. It is what it is. At least the kids aren't out here swimming and I don't have to fight with them on this. All right, so I got some Kosmo's Q, we got the Texas beef rub, and we got the cow cover hot. It's a great combination. Just crusted it up. It's a big piece of meat. It can handle a lot of seasoning, so make sure you use plenty of seasoning. You're gonna build a nice, thick, dark bark on these so it can handle it, all right? So don't be liberal with your seasoning, okay? That's it, guys. It's real simple to set it up. It's gonna be a real, probably long cook because these are so big. I'm thinking probably 6-7 hours. Again, we're not wrapping. I just want to give it all the heat and smoke you can handle. And we'll get these nice and probe tender, and then we'll enjoy them. All right. So come on over here. We'll set up the Weber Kettle, get these bad boys on, get a 10 probe in them. It's gonna be amazing, guys. Thank you guys for being here. Hit that like button because there's nothing better than Wagyu beef short ribs, so you know you're gonna like this. All right, come on back. I don't think we'll be using these charcoal pieces. I don't know if that's ever happened. Parrish, let me know if that's ever happened, buddy. That was not a stellar move right there. I think I got them all out. We'll just leave those over there. They'll dry out a little bit. You know what? We'll put them back over here. Move these around. These will dry out when we're ready to cook them. I already got some pecan wood in there, or pecan, whatever you guys, however you say it. I got some underneath the charcoal and some above it. This is gonna be a nice long cook. Got plenty of water in there. gonna take this out. We're gonna put a drip pan in there to catch all that goodness. We'll get this grill grate on. It's got the temp probe in here. We'll turn on the thermometer. We got this to put in the ribs. Look at these beefy behemoth, big old beef Texas ribs right there. Look at that. Man, these are insane. Oh, so good. All right, I'm gonna put the probe in. Got a thick part of meat right here. We're not cooking the temperature, we're gonna cook the tenderness, but I wanna make sure that we're not overcooking it. So that's why we have the temp probe. We're putting the lid on nice and tight, sort of. I'm gonna open this up a little bit. We have the smoke going over the ribs. In fact, I might even turn it just a tad bit that way. I'll be good to go. We're about an hour in. It's looking pretty moist. I love that word, moist. All right. We're 3 hours in. It's looking pretty good. That bark is we're temping about 130 or so internal. Again, not like that matters. We're just gonna keep letting it breathe, let it get that good smoke, that good flavor. It's a beautiful beast of ribs. Love it. All right, okay guys, about 6 hours in. I'm gonna temp this bad boy out. Oh, it's like butter. It's just funny. Sorry if there's a little breeze. It's just funny how it's so well marbled with the fat that, you know, we're probing kind of, you know, tender, but it ain't quite close to being, you know, I want it around 200 degrees or so. So we're gonna let it go just another hour or so. The pit temp's about 235, so we're just gonna chill. No big deal. But we are looking very good. All right, guys, I'm gonna go out on a limb and say these are done. That. Even Charlie knows. Charlie, you know what's up. Charlie's like, all three of those big old bones have my name on it. Oh yeah. Oh, it's going in like butter, baby. Like sugar, honey. Oh yeah. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take out this probe, let that sit there, turn off the thermometer, and I'm gonna try to gently take these ribs, put them in here. All right. I'm gonna cover them with a little tin foil and just let them chill for a little bit. A little rest time, a little nap time. Let's chill. You're doing good. You're doing good, buddy. Oh, so good. I cannot wait. All right, we're gonna let it rest for a half hour, 45 minutes, and we'll call it a day. All right, guys. Let this rest for about 45 minutes. I'm gonna pull it out. Oh, look at that. Even Charlie's excited. All right, we're gonna cut into this one bone at a time. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous right there. All right. Look at all that fat, that marbling, that goodness, all that fat. Oh, you know, fat is flavor. Charlie's over here dying. All right, let's. I'm gonna get this shot real quick, and then we'll take a bite. All right, guys, took the picture for the thumbnail. We're gonna cut a little piece off, just to let you know, like just so you can get some kind of semblance. This is a 8.5-inch blade. These things are beasts, and just, I mean, that's just insane. Oh, look at the juice on this thing, on this cutting board. Look at that juice. Just stop it. All right. Look at my juice. They're so big. You don't know how to handle it. Stop it.
You'd be like, I got this.
I don't know how to handle big meat. No.
I got it.
Look at that. Just look at that little nugget of goodness right there. Just barking, smoking.
Charlie's tail is wagging.
I don't even know what to say. That was so freaking good. Oh man, that's outstanding. This is freaking outstanding. Look at this falling apart. The dope smoke ring. The fat. All right, guys, we are done. This is outstanding. All right, the Cosmo Que combination of Texas beef and cow cover hot is so good. My dog's over here dancing around, sitting pretty, trying to get a little bite. I might just have to let him. Like, this is so good, you want to share it. That's it, guys. If you have a little patience, you'll be rewarded. This was awesome. All right, guys, so if you guys, if you like what you saw in this video, make sure you're subscribed, hit that thumbs up. And you know you guys see that custom cutting board, links down below for that. It's Haley Home Decor. I'm an affiliate. You put Cooking with CJ in there, you get 15% off your order. And I love about this board is that it has the grease trap around it. It's high quality. I'm not gonna put it out there if it's not a quality item, and it's definitely a quality item. I'm a affiliate for the Dowstrong company. So if you like my knives that are using this one for the trimming or for cutting these ribs, the link's down below for that too. You use Cooking with CJ in the checkout, it's 10% off. Like I've said in a bunch of my videos, us YouTubers do whatever we can to help, you know, finance our, you know, love of cooking and sharing with you guys. So any little bit of that helps. That's it. Until the next one, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me in my backyard and in the house too. Hope you have a wonderful week. Take care. Thanks for stopping by.